What's really holding you back is because you're probably trying to be like every other person online now, trying to cross your T's, uh, lift your P's, whatever, instead of really truly being yourself and actually just expressing you the way you really are on the outside and the inside. Sharing your family, sharing whatever you're doing in your business day by day, creating assets, creating your own personal journey. Because you really have to leave your old self in the gutter to reach new heights in the online game. Like, it's not actually new to the world of online marketing and your own personal growth that you have to leave the old habits behind to create some new ones, create new relationships, new relationship with yourself. I found that over in my journey, you really have to dig deep. And if you really want to live in the 5%ers who are actually making things happen in their business, you got to leave the comfortable things behind. The comfortable habits to creating the wealth that you want for yourself, your family, and your friends around you in that circle. That means you've got to look at yourself every day and say, am I doing the 5% things that are going to move my business? For years, I didn't do those 5% because I lived in the comfort zone of the things that I was comfortable at, which is the graphics, which is the behind the scenes stuff. Until certain mentors came to me, they said, you got to get out of your comfort zone. You got to push yourself more because you're not living the 5% life that you really want to live. Which is why you got to get out of your comfort zone and just stretch it every day. That rubber band effect, pulling that rubber band and working on that hamstring of habits to be the person that you want to do for yourself to help others. You don't have to speak the perfect speak to be the perfect person for somebody. So hopefully that helps. If you need more help or you just want to chat, I'm going to be doing my new group soon. Jump over, and let's have a chat. And let's get you guys rocking and rolling. Let's go.